Okay, I'm over here on TEPCO's site, and I found this under TEPCO Fukushima Unit 3 photo archive or library, something along that lines. And this is the top-down view picture I was talking about. And I already took a screenshot, so I'm going to make another video, or I'm going to come in and flash into another section. I just wanted to show you where I found it. Here at TEPCO. Photo collection, Unit 3. This is when they got the majority of the stuff off. And we'll zoom into this stuff and we'll kind of explain it. All right. Okay, this is the area I was talking about. Now, normally these sections, this area right here, would not have that gap. It would be perfect like that. And if you know building materials and concrete and steel, that's not going to move like that unless there's a massive amount of force. That gap is not going to be there. Okay, and that's where it mainly blew out. Now you see the service pool to the left and the actual fuel pool on the right, where the crane is sitting inside this fuel pool, and they got constant pumps running water in and out, sucking it out and pumping it back in. And you have to understand they were losing more coming out than they were pumping in. That's how we know it's leaking. And it has been since day one. That's very important. Notice this section 2 as well. That should be noted. But basically the reactor was like a cannon. And the bottom of it was like where you would light the fuse. And the top of it was like the barrel. And it just shot up. And I imagine they went and found these top plates and put them back on there with the crane. Before they took the picture, they're clearing it off. They're doing all this work up here. I guarantee you those plates were not there at, right after the explosion. No way, no how. So that's the service pool. Okay. And it's the same thing on Unit 4. They're facing each other. Right? Because number 4 is on the other side. That's where they were watering it with the concrete pump truck. Okay? It's very important, guys. This is very important. This must be noted how this happened. And that explosion originated in the reactor vessel. Right there. And it shot out and up. Remember, this is after it's cleaned off, guys. But that concrete operating floor line, the yellow line I showed in Fukushima 101, that's very thick. That's designed for an airplane to crash through it and not harm the reactor. Right? So that amount of force to make that space, just that simple space, guys, some detail, some small little detail, normal people wouldn't recognize, but an engineer would. Do you understand that fact? That difference? That's nearly perfect. That's the difference, guys. I pay attention when most don't. Thanks for watching. Bye.